Alright, so, hello, welcome back to, wait, no, welcome back to my channel. Today, instead of doing a logo video and doing an INS episode, instead I decided to start a series called EAS Alarms, Real or Fake. For those who don't know how this series works, first I'll name off the country that the alarm comes from. Then, we're going to listen to the alarm that plays, which, in case you don't know, EAS alarms are usually alarms that are used for earthquakes, tornadoes, wildfires, missile attacks, stuff like that. And sometimes the countries might have like sirens, while other times they might just have like phone alerts. And then after we listen to the alarm, we will then I will then tell you if it's real, fake, or I don't even know. Yeah, I'll tell you if the alarm is real or fake. There are 4 different possible things I will say though. Well, technically 3. It's either going to be real, fake, or I don't know as my answers. And then I'll explain my reasoning on why this answer was given. And we're going to be splitting this up into parts because I don't want to do all the alarms in one day because this video is 40 minutes and it would probably take like about 2 hours just to get through the entire compilation. So, yeah, not going to be doing that. We'll just go through all the countries that start with the letter A, considering that we're going in alphabetical order. So, yeah. First up is Afghanistan. You might want to turn your volume up in case I don't hear it. So, for Afghanistan, this one is real. The reason for why this is real is because this is actually used as part of their siren system. Which, in case you don't know, a siren system is basically usually a system where if something happens, it basically will go off, and it's basically kind of like an alarm. It goes off, and it basically tells everyone, hey, we should probably, evacuate out of this place before we die. And you kind of get the idea. Next is Albania. This one is fake, considering it's basically just an NOAA alert, which I forgot what NOAA stands for. But yeah, that's where that alert is from, so it's actually fake instead of real. That's still Albania, by the way. Alright, here we go. Now we have Algeria. So, this is the first time where I'm actually going to give a technical extra 4th verdict. The 4th verdict is going to be mixed, which means it's both real and fake. And the reason for why this one is mixed is because, well, The fake part is this is not actually their EAS alarm. This, on the other hand, for the real part, is that this is actually their ambulance siren. Yeah, you heard me. Andorra is next. So this one is actually fake, considering that this alarm actually is just a bunch of EAS alarms mixed together. Particularly, the EAS alarms that you just heard are a combination of Ireland, which we'll actually hear the Irish alarm later. I guess you could also say Ukraine a little bit, and then the old 1990s Poland EAS alarm. So yeah, there's 3 alarms. Next is Angola. This one is fake because it originates from a mock, which, in case you don't know what a mock is, it's a video that basically, again, like I already said, tries to make people think that it's actually real when it's not, and they're basically just sort of, I guess, quote-unquote, scamming you. So, yeah. That one originates from a mock, so it's fake. Next we have Antigua and Barbuda. I think that's how I pronounce it. I don't really know some of these country names because I've never really heard of them before. So this one is actually fake because, well, let's just say there's this thing where people say that no EAS alarm would ever sound anything like that. And that's an example. No EAS alarm would ever sound anything like the one you just heard. Argentina. Oh boy.
Emergencia nacional, esto no es un simulacro, esto no es un simulacro.
So, that one is, I'm assuming fake. I'm just going to say that it's fake because, although you did actually hear a siren, Argentina has a completely different siren from the one you just heard. And speak of the devil, we have the other Argentinian siren. Oh yeah, I forgot. I should have to turn down the volume for this one because this one's extremely loud. By the way, I just rewinded it so that you could hear it again. Not this one. So, that one is actually real, considering that it's part of their siren system. Yeah.
This is my comeback.
Though, the only, technical, I guess, fake part is that, this one, is kind of sort of, I guess you could say, bass boosted, just to make it a little bit more loud, even though it is actually the real one. But the real one would sound quieter than that.
Start yours at purdueglobal.edu.
Armenia. This one is real, considering it's part of their siren system. And I know, it sounds very creepy, considering that, yeah. Aruba is up next, and let me check to see how much, more we have left. So, Aruba. This one is fake because no EAS alarm would ever sound anything like that. So, yeah. Fake. Next is Australia. This one is real, considering that this one was actually used for both TV alerts and also as their siren system, which means that it's been verified, which I guess you could say that the fifth one is verified. Yeah, like the fifth possible answer is verified. So yeah, we have 5 possible answers that we're gonna get, which quick recap. We had real, fake, mixed, I don't know, and verified. Next is Austria. So, this one is real, considering that that one's part of their siren system. Yeah, that alarm you just heard is part of Austria's main siren system. And lastly, to finish things off for today, of EAS alarms, real or fake, Azerbaijan. So, this one, if I remember correctly, this is real. The reason for why this is real is because A, it's likely part of their siren system, and B, well, it wouldn't be so obvious without the bomb noise that you just heard. So yeah, that's going to end it off for today's episode of EAS Alarms, Real or Fake. Bye.